This is series of PHP for beginners. You can download PHP with server, web server. You can type Google search XAMPP. You can download PHP from here with XAMPP. Here there are 3 versions. You can find active support and security support versions of PHP. Here it is better to download latest version. You can download XAMPP from this link. I click here and it is downloading. It downloaded. I request please subscribe my YouTube channel. This kind of videos will be provided in futures too. Then I can click here. Then I can go next. I can write a name here. Then I can click next. Here language. Then I can click. I can untick or tick this. This is sending anonymously to improve XAMPP. Then I can click next and I can click next and install XAMPP. I am not going to install XAMPP because I already installed. I have already installed XAMPP. Then I open that. Then I can start this Apache and SQL servers. Clicking start button. Then I can run the server localhost php myadmin. This is for MySQL, and here I can click localhost. Here this is our XAMPP server. Inside this XAMPP, PHP is running. Here, going here, we can find our PHP version and also database server, likewise user, etc. PHP is backend web language. Then we can connect databases. Then installing MySQL is really important also. Here installing XAMPP, we can install both MySQL and PHP. Please subscribe my channel. In future I will describe how to write PHP codes and how to build a web application using PHP, HTML and also CSS, JavaScript, and how to connect database. In future I will learn using this playlist PHP for beginners.